I'm Kate. I'm from Hong Kong and I study UCL master course in night and lighting. To me, it's quite interesting because I come from the engineering field for the lighting, but not the design field. With the lighting design skills, I can have a more bright future that can help to go in my career path. UCL, the Bartlett School, they did lots of the research about the lighting, how the lighting impact the people. So how the light will impact your circadian rhythm. Lighting still is not quite much understandable in our knowledge. That's why this course is not only for the technical training, it's also boon your mind to think about how lighting can improve the environment and how lighting can improve the building. After this time, I think most of people they need to think about how the lighting can help them to more focus on their work. They can create an area for them for a working environment rather than they will shift to another, like shift to for the TV for something like that.